Hello mga kachinggu. Another short video, and our video for today is fruits and vegetables. Dito tayo sa guys, sa Primark, and then pili-pili muna ako dyan kasi nag-wait ako sa buy one take one. So magba-buy one take one yung kanilang mga selected fruits dyan. Tapos yung salad is buy one take one. So ayan, pili muna kasi 7:30 yung kanilang announcement para sa free. So for healthy muna tayo. So ayan, yan yung aking binili, yung salad. Ayan guys, so sulit na sulit, 32 ata yun. Iba-iba yung presyo guys. So ayan, may fruits and vegetables, watermelon. And then enjoy the video and see you on my next vlog.